create service contract. The customer service manager creates a new service contract in the system and change the price of the service contract item. So choose the Manage Service Contract application till. So I go in my app finder and I search in catalog. The application like this, service contract, for example. Okay, service. What happens right now? Service contract. Okay. Service. Okay, I don't have any answer from SAP. Okay, have to wait. Okay, I don't know. Sorry, manage processing services. No, it's take a long time. Manage. Sorry, manage. It's too long. Manage service. So manage service, processing. Okay, I don't know why it do not appears. Manage service contract. So I look for again. Okay. Take your time. Service. Okay. Okay. Manage. I don't know what is so. Manage service contract. Okay. Okay. SAP. Manage service contract. Okay. So then create service contract. Create. And maintain the following entries. Description, enter description. So I've got to create for a repair process. So I prepare previously a storyboard. Okay, what is the name? So it's like a French demonstration. So it's the name of the description. Okay, I put the description, and then for which customer it's sold to party. So it's BTP. Okay, I don't know what. So again, it's take a long time. I don't know. Sorry, I don't know what happens today. I don't have BTP. Okay, North BTP, that is this one. Okay, so my description, my sold to party. If contact person are displayed in a partner selection document, either dialog box, select one of them. The contract start date and end date are determined automatically and can be modified. So, for example, the contract starts the first of this month, okay, and the contract ends the first of this month in 1 year. In section items, add the service product. So I go in the items and the product ID P7. Sometimes I don't know what happens again. Each times I don't have automatically the information. Even I put all the information. I think that if we really have an issue, my connection is good. So I select my product ID. It's a service contract in the column product ID and choose enter. In the column quantity, add the quantity 1 and choose enter. So I define 1 unit. So I've got my service contract item. I've got my net value, so I can change it. For example, if I define 100 unit, my new price. And I think I just add a new things. I just give you the scenario that is a repair flow, customer service about a product sold to a customer. 6 months later, the customer, BTP North Construction, called and explained that the product had hydraulic issue. So the previous sales order have created an equipment. So we had this information into the item. For that, I navigate into the detail, and in the detail there is the information about the maintenance plan. So if I show you, you have object list, product list. So I need to wait. Okay, you see in the object list, you are able to put the equipment. So I look for the equipment. I use a match code for that. I click on search and I see that I create previously my equipment is for the reference product ID and T like this. Okay, I see that the equipment I created previously, that, and I hide automatically the equipment. I click on apply, and I choose release all item. So I go in the item and statute release, or you can select like this and release all item, and I save. You can note or not the created service contract item number. So I wait again. So then we will edit the service contract item, and we still have to wait a long time. I do not create. Okay, the service contract has been generated. This is this one. Okay, transaction save. I want to click on edit if I want to make any modification. So in the section item in column action, so item, so in column show you click on to display all the column that we have. For example, I'm looking for the column action. It's display. Okay, where is the column action status credit? I go in the detail, general data. Okay, statute release, automatic. Yeah, that is the automatic renewal. So in section automatic renewal, set the checkbox for enable. Add into the field a renewal period, the period within you want the service contract to be renewed by the automatic renewal process run. For example, renewal for 1 year. For example, this 1 year. So in the field contract extension, add the service contract extension time period, which will be valid after the renewal. For example, 6 months. So I define 6 months. I choose enter. I can then assign service level agreement. Optionally, you can select in section service level agreement. Additional external price maintenance attachment. So apply. Document, I click on apply. The extension must be greater than which one? 1 year. 3. So I define 3 weeks, 6 months. Apply. There is any what is the issue? Apply. Okay. Okay. I repeat. In the service level agreement. Optionally, you can select in the in section service level agreement the response and service profile for this services contract item. To do this, fill the following field with the value. For example, first level response time, service profile. So we have already defined a first level response time. So we can define this service level agreement into the CBC. But that is enough. So we have defined a service contract for the product to cover the issue about the product sold to my customer. I save. Last point, edit price element. I prefer to save each one by one. So I click on edit. I go to the detail and I select the tabulation billing plan. So billing plan. In the field settlement period, select the value at quarterly. So we are here and we can define what quarterly by, so we have quarterly by calendar. Select the tab price detail. So we have settlement period, total price. So we have the value. So if we have the billing plan, we have the settlement period, we have the billing value. If I go to the detail, we are able to change so that we see the detail of the price. So go back. If I go to the price agreement, sorry, I go back in the detail. So I go back in the detail. So we have to go to the total price. Okay, I'll show you price agreement, additional detail, object, equipment, apply, net value, billing plan, detail, price detail, price for service contract, DT euro, price detail, okay, and apply. Analyze, okay, apply. Price agreement. So I can add a new condition type. For that, mostly we have different material discount in service contract. We have select, for example, a discount. For example, 10 euro. So I click on OK. Okay. And I define for the condition is, for example, condition 10 euro. And the product, my product is MRT. Okay. And I click on OK. Okay, see it's a 10. Oh yes, it's a percent, 10%. So if I have a look right now in the detail, I will see that I've got, perhaps I don't see there, 20% price, 15 euro gross. I click on apply. I just want to be sure that my rebate is taking account price agreement. I click on apply. Perhaps I need to save before. Okay, and I save. Okay, I click on edit. Life cycle statue in process. Okay, and I release all item. Okay, I go in the detail. I see right now my condition record has been saved. Okay. Billing plan. Okay, the billing statute, not transferred. Okay, for the moment, we can block also. I need Okay, and I click on apply and I save.